I've had a couple of their hubs at this point, and I must say that they always do a good job. Now, the Aqara manual is here. It's actually quite a thick manual, which I'm betting is because this is a highly complex device. And right off the bat, you know, I thought this was going to be bigger, but it's actually... Oh, what is with the ears? It is supposed to be fully rotatable, so we have the base right here. This should go around, and it should come all the way around. It's basically come all the way around. What we're gonna have is a tracking camera. This is gonna be able to track people through this space. On the bottom of it here, you can see that power port. It is USB-C, and we do have a pretty good speaker here. 2 microphones, and that's gonna be a little hard for me to show. There's one there. You can kind of see it there, and there's one here. Now, those are going to support two-way communication through this. On the bottom are a couple of important things, and this gives you a number of different mounting choices here. This is a 1/4 inch, and you're just going to be able to screw this into a number of mounts. On the bottom is HomeKit integration. Now, the entire system, or every different Aqara device that you pair with this, it will come into Apple HomeKit. It'll pair with Google Assistant or the Google Home application and bring in lots of the devices there for control through voice, as well as Amazon's voice assistant and that whole system. But actually, if you hold this for 3 seconds, there's an emergency push notification that goes out. It's 1296p resolution. That's what's coming through this camera sitting here. And it's also supported by a night vision, which is this based on this light sensor as well as the camera here. Now, it's going to connect through Wi-Fi, although it is both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi capable. The other thing about those cameras is there's actually both gesture and facial recognition on this camera. In terms of that Zigbee hub, well, it's not just a Zigbee hub too. This is one of the really different things about the Aqara G3. You'll notice right there on the box, it says that it can do infrared controls. Inside the box, we actually just had a couple of other things. Now here is the AC adapter. So this is coming straight from your wall. You can see it's a 2-prong, and obviously there's going to be European versions of this that'll look a little different, but it's a USB-A, and that goes hand in hand right here with our USB-A to USB-C that goes into the back of this camera. If you need more help with the Aqara G3, we have a full resource available for you where we go through every feature on the Aqara G3. Check out that video, it has time codes and everything you need. Thanks for watching today, and of course, don't hate, automate.